Here we will see operators in Python. In general, Python operators are used to perform operations on values and variables. These are the standard symbols used for the purpose of logical and arithmetic operations. Operators are the special symbols like plus, minus, multiplication, division, etc. And operands are the values on which the operator is applied. Python divides the operator in following groups: arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, logical operators, identity operators, membership operators, and bitwise operators. First we will see arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are used for performing mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Different operators are plus, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, exponential, and floor division. The precedence for these operators are: first parenthesis is evaluated, then exponential, then multiplication and division, and last addition and subtraction. Next is assignment operator. These operators are used to assign values to the variable. Different assignment operators are equal, which assigns the value of the right side expression to the left side operand. For example, if x equal to 5, the output will be 5. Plus equal to, which add right side operand with the left side operand and then assign to the left operand. For example, if x plus equal to 3, the output will be 8. Since the x value is 5, so 5 plus 3 is 8. Minus equal to, which subtract the right operand from left operand and then assign to the left operand. For example, if x minus equal to 3, the output will be 2, since 5 minus 3 is 2. Multiply equal to, which multiplies right operand with the left operand and then assign to the left operand. For example, if x multiply equal to 3, the output will be 15, since 5 into 3 is 15. Divide equal to, which divides the left operand with the right operand and then assign to the left operand. For example, if x divide equal to 3, the output will be 1.66. Then modulus equal to, which takes modulus using left and right operands and assign the result to the left operand. For example, if x mod equal to 3, the output will be 2, since 5 mod 3 is 2. Floor division equal to, which divides the left operand with the right operand and then assign the value to the left operand. For example, x floor equal to 3, then output will be 2. If we use x divided by 3, the output will be 1.66, and if we use x floor equal to 3, the output will be 2. Next is exponential equal to, which calculate exponent value using the operands and assign value to the left operand. X exponent equal to 3, the output will be 125. Since x exponent equal to 3 gives 5 raised to 3, that is 125. AND equal to, which performs bitwise AND on operands and assign value to the left operand. OR equal to, which performs bitwise OR. For example, x AND equal to 3, the output will be 1. Then OR equal to, which performs bitwise OR on operands and assign value to the left operand. For example, x OR equal to 3, the output will be 7. XOR, which performs bitwise XOR on operands and assign value to the left operand. For example, x XOR equal to 3, the output will be 6. Right shift operand, which performs bitwise right shift on operands and assign value to the left operand. Left shift, which performs bitwise left shift on operands and assign value to the left operand. For example, x bitwise left equal to 3, the output will be 40. Then comparison operator, which are used to compare two values. Greater than, which returns true if the left operand is greater than the right. For example, x greater than y. Then less than, which returns true if the left operand is less than the right. For example, x less than y. Double equal to, which returns true if both operands are equal. X equal to y. Not equal to, which returns true if operands are not equal. For example, x not equal to y. Greater than or equal to, which returns true if the left operand is greater than or equal to the right. Less than equal to, which returns true if the left operand is less than or equal to the right. Next is logical operator, which are used to combine conditional statements. First is AND, which returns true if both the operands are true. Then OR, which returns true if either of the operand is true. And NOT, which returns true if operand is false. Then Python identity operators. These are used to compare the objects, not if they are equal, but if they are actually the same object with the same memory location. First operator is, that is x is the same as y. And second is not, which defines x is not the same as y. Then membership operators, which are used to test if a sequence is presented in an object. First is in, which returns true if a sequence with the specified value is present in the object. And not in, which returns true if the sequence with the specified value is not present in the object. Next is bitwise operator, which are used to compare binary numbers. First is AND, which sets each bit to 1 if both bits are 1. Next is OR, which sets each bit to 1 if one of two bits is 1. Next is XOR, which sets each bit to 1 if only one of two bits is 1. Next is NOT, which inverts all the bits. Next is zero fill left shift. Shift left by pushing zeros in from the right and let the leftmost bits fall off. Next is sign right shift, which shift right by pushing copies of the leftmost bit in from the left and let the rightmost bit fall off.